Hi, it's Justin Costello with MarineMax, Pompano Beach. I'm gonna give you a little walkthrough tour on a boat that just got unloaded off the truck. It's a Boston Whaler 330 Outrage with twin 300 Verados in white. Boat's equipped with a standard rear-facing couch. We do have a T cockpit table that goes in between these two seats. Walking through the boat. It's joystick piloting. We have a Raymarine Axiom Pro 12-inch screen. Plenty of room to put another one. 7-inch vessel view, joystick control, Blanco trim tabs. We're working our way forward. Nice deep gunnels, wide walkways. Coming in here is our head, vacuum flush toilet, holding tank, overboard discharge, freshwater sink, hand basin, shower. Then forward we have this nice wraparound seating in the bow, flush deck with non-skid, and a through hole anchor, automatic windlass. Then we do also have an isinglass enclosure that's stored in this here on top of our forward-facing sun lounger. This boat is available. It just came in. It's a Boston Whaler 330 Outrage, Abaco blue paint. 954-633-2070. MarineMax, Pompano Beach.